Alright, boys. Just made it to the lake here. Monk's got his new salmon pole. Go through the setup here.
I'm gonna go with a light sinker, 2 size 4 treble hooks.
There it is.
Yeah.
Okay. Damn. Look at that champ.
Ooh. Big old dead fish laying right here.
So we're after, boys.
Yep.
We got some monsters just right out here in front of us. Man, they're making shark waves, but try to get a couple on film. We're spot and stalking these big boys right now. See what we could do here. Did you see him?
No, but my lines start taking off for nothing.
He might have landed, huh? Alright, boys. We're gonna get after it here. Took a little cat nap, about 5-minute cat nap. Going for revenge. What do you gotta say, young?
Feeling lucky here.
Okay. So I like to hear. We're just gonna prowl on down in here, and we're seeing hundreds of other people's fish. Holy smokes.
Monsters.
Absolute giants. So it's about midnight right now, but we're dropping in here. We're gonna get after it. Alright, boys, this is our tactic here. We're trying to shine them on the bank and then spot and stalk and salmon. A lot of fun. We'll put this away and try to catch him.
Okay, go. Yeah, you got one. First cast. Yeah, keep your tip up. We just got here. Well, we fished all day. We've been here since about 3. We just took a little break. Get down on the bank, Brandon. Close the water.
My arm's dead. Oh, should I tighten my drink or what?
No, just stay with him. You don't want your drag too tight. It'll,
Oh, get him on. Fuck, he's a champion, eh?
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Got him by the tail.
Come on.
Come this way, Brandon, so I can get it, so I can net him. You gotta walk behind me.
I don't want to hook
You ain't gonna hook me.
I'll get him.
Keep coming. Look way out. Oh, shit.
That's alright. That's alright. He's hooked good.
Yeah.
I've never seen a fish that big ever, eh? That hook ain't gonna pop out, is it?
No. If it was gonna pop out, it would have popped out by now. There he is. Yeah. Holy shit, man. That's so much. That's a 22 pounder.
Let's go.
Let's see. Man.
Look at that bad boy.
Holy shit.
Look at that. Oh, he's a champ.
That's a fucking monster.
Look at that, boys. Fucking, that's a big buck too, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that. That's what we live for right there, eh?
Wicked.
Damn. I just caught mine and now Unc's hooked up here. I got you. I got mine on too. Oh,
I seen him out there. What? I seen him.
spot and stock, huh?
Yeah. I just cast it until he swam by and I fucking gagged.
That's why we got the camo on, eh? Holy shit, boys. Let's get that.
Another tail hook. Really big male.
Damn. Look at that, boys. Hey, Unc.
Yeah. Could probably run a couple times, huh?
Look at that fish, man. As soon as he feels his net, he's gonna.
Yeah, try to get the head first.
Try to get his head up. He's got one more run in him for sure.
Yeah, these things just don't tire out.
Is that a male again or
Yeah,
what?
looks like it. Big hump on the back.
There you go, wicked him. Tire him out. You got him. Wicked workout in it.
Yeah. Almost gave up. We went and sat in the truck for about an hour or half hour. We're thinking, oh, everybody's catching them all around us.
Ooh.
Let's go look down here. Where's your leg?
Look at that chant, boys. Oh. Careful that treble hook now. Alright, boys, I know when we're trout fishing, we take care of our fish, but these fish are gonna die. And they're gonna feed our family good, so.
Well, you can't say you didn't catch any fish in 2023.
Yeah. Oh man, blessed.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Appreciate it,
Pretty.
guys. Yeah. So this is where we first seen that big one, kind of. Right in here, right along the bank.
Like this. Oh, right there. Look.
You see one? That was badass. Unc, did you see that second one was laying right by him?
Uh-uh.
Yeah.
I carp or something, or a sucker.
No way.
Yeah, it is. It ain't even a salmon.
You serious?
Yeah. Big fucking sucker or a carp. Fucking lipped him in it.
Yeah.
See, them salmon are too smart to lay there and let you hook them like that.
Yeah.
He just didn't even move till I nailed him. Oh, right in the mouth, look. $25 yards.
Start this trip off right, isn't it, Uncle? Yeah.
Come out there so it's back up home.
Jump on the edge.
Oh, shit.
Damn, boys.
Oh, 20-pounder. God dang, it reminds me of paddle fishing. Hey, that's how they come in.
Tail, though. He's got another run in him. Oh, that's a big one. Holy cow. He is bent, boys. Champ, boys. Monster.
Here we go.
Damn, champion on right there.
Oh, he bit me.
Oh. Oh. Almost bit you in the puggons there.
Oh, shit.
There you go. There you go. Cut. Oh, boys. Bent. Bent. Nice. I don't know. Here you go. Oh, God. Champ.
Okay, the legend's back at it. Legend.
I ain't letting him go. I ain't letting him go.
Black mouth, like I said on radio, see?
Look at that.
Remember on radio?
Look how big an adipose finish.
Look how many snag holes he has on him.
Oh, yeah. Boy, we're going to eat good, man.
Yes, sir.
Uncle Bob's going to like these, Unc.
All winter.
All winter.
Winter supply.
Yeah. Run with him, Unc. Reel up. He's going to... Just stay tight when he jumps, eh? That's a 30-pounder.
30-pounder.
Just stay on him when he jumps up.
Never rope him.
Live action here, boys. Oh, he's gonna come in now. Holy cow. Oh man, he's got a lot of life in him, Monk.
Yeah.
What do you want me to do?
Just let him go.
Okay.
Good.
Boy, he...
Yeah.
Oh, you got him in the head though, innit?
I got him good.
Okay. Just take your time, Monk. Let him die out.
Yeah, let him.
He's worth it, eh?
Roll. Ooh.
Kind of our thing, eh?
Kind of our thing when it comes to snagging.
Oh, look at that. He's got a lot of juice in him. Oh.
There it is. Way to go, Brandon.
Holy shit. Look at him go, boys. Champion. Watch out, he's got razors in there. Damn, wicked.
That's a 20-some pounder right there. Fed him
Damn, look at those teeth on that thing.
That's a mean sucker there. Oh,
Wicked.
that's over 20. He's heavy.
Gotta be.
Okay, Brandon's over there sneaking up on a big old salmon. He's a wicked bow hunter, this fella.
Oh, I missed him.
He's a hunter, this guy. Sight fishing. He sees him on a bank. And they're all kind of right in that little cove right there messing around. That's where he's heading. There you go. That's how it's done right there. Holy shit. Dandy.
Well, there you have it, folks. We best
it out.
fishing, yeah,
Limit it out.
best fishing trip we ever had,
Yep,
and then go see Uncle Bob and keep the tradition going, huh?
that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got some of the catches on video, what we could, but we just got excited and got into them.
Yeah, a lot of it it's just gonna be highlights, but
Yeah,
it's all for the memory anyway.
yeah, we got a lot of butchered and cleaning, and
Got about 2 or 3 deer to do, right?
we got about I think 2 hours worth of cleaning.
So Uncle Bob's, here we come.
Yeah, happy about it.
Yeah. Hold on.
No Brandon. Party's over at that sky.
Yeah.
Cold weather's coming.
Yeah, really. There he is, boys.
Wicked fucker, wicked, hey.
Homebound.
Well, we
All
got
right, boys.
Brandon keeping the tradition alive.
Show him this one, Give him the biggest one.
Gonna give his uncle another big fish.
We've done this on all our stuff in it, even some we don't have on camera.
Yep. Feed our elders.
Yeah.
The highest respect.
In our way, we don't know. We just go right in and in, Oh,
Holy, what did you get to that thing? Holy,
I went to Alaska.
Shit, that's a big one.
Look at that.
Holy cow. Where did you get that? That's a big one.
Salmon, Bobby. Real salmon.
We brought this
What
one
is
for
it?
you.
What kind is it?
A king.
The king salmon?
Or Chinook salmon.
Chinook salmon?
Yeah.
Holy shit, I bet you he fought like hell.
Oh, he did,
There
yeah.
you go.
Oh, God, that's a monster one.
Look at his teeth on him.
He's got big ones, huh?
Yeah.
Holy shit, I hate to have him bite me. Shit, that's a good one, man.
Yeah,
Good one.
you